CRCL Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end. Find out. As I'm just observing circle, I'm not looking at the most bullish thing ever. I'm just looking at the price that's melting down. But that doesn't mean that this cannot freaking shift, you know, because beforehand I got like 3 wins, 2 break-evens and a loss on the way up. And I mean, it all began when the price was 76 bucks, right? Like, boom, it was 76.98 when I first made a video on this 2 months back, and since then it's been pumping, and I'm a big fan of this. Now, like I mentioned, unless I see this shift and a double break happening, I'm not gonna buy. In CRCL, I also got about 41 results in here as well. So yes, I can have this swing as long as I see this double break thing happening above 168, not just once but double, and only then I would rather look to take things further up. Now, what happens if Monday we start going down? Well, that's why I will keep you updated, but that shift that must happen still must happen, right? Maybe from different levels, but without it happening, I'm not moving forward. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.